So we're finally starting to get it fixed. Already got part one up on you.
I'm showing the rain dropping right here.
Right. Show it that sideways too. Look over there towards that building. There you go. Look here.
It was so nice 2 seconds ago.
Isn't that crazy?
Now we can't even see anything, it's blurry. Oh, so you can just use the... Oh, it's nice now. What's that?
85 degrees, 11:48, 84 degrees now. It's starting raining.
It's green light. Oh no, that sucks.
You want to go while I'm going?
Well, we shouldn't get out at all. I don't think we should get out.
It's gonna pass smoothly. It's just a rain band. It's not gonna be very long. I can see clouds on the other side of it already.
Yeah, me
More
too.
clear clouds. Thank you.
Those were probably already dirt clouds, but all the rain came as those. Stop crying, rain.
This is why I took the bike to Aunt Maria's.
Uh-huh.
Look out sideways too, Rudy. Don't look at this one spot. I'm not quite halfway in. I'm more towards the coast still, but it is already coming in. So, that is me myself. I can show you right now out the window. There's already bands coming in. It rains and it stops, and it rains and it stops. Tropical system does. It dumps rain on you, and then it stops, and then it dumps rain on you, and it stops, and it keeps going back out into the ocean. It's over the ocean during the day. It's picking up more water, and then it's taking it over land, and it's not able to hold it, so it's dumping it, especially with the winds. So, and when the bands come in, we have those winds. When the next one comes in, I'll take some video of that and throw it in this video as well, in this particular park. So, I'll make a little collective video of all of this different stuff that's going on within the days of the storm passing by the Orlando area. So you guys can get to see firsthand what's actually happening here instead of what's happening or what they say is happening in the media. So if you want to see other videos that I've done similarly in the past, you can see what they did when they hyped up Irma and everything. And you can go and see my segments on Irma as well from back then, and everything was right on time as I said it would be. So, if you keep up with my other social media pages, you'll see other things. I post other things on there more often than I do here on YouTube. So if you really want to keep up with what's going on faster than what I put out videos, then go on to Facebook. And Facebook, Organized Confusion 101. And that's organized with an S instead of a Z. All together, 101, and it'll bring up my personal Facebook page. And you'll be able to add me from there. So, if you've ever wanted to do that, there you go. So that's, I'll put it here on the screen somewhere. But yeah, Organized Confusion 101. 101. Thanks so much. Be safe, everyone. coming down. So we're finally starting to get effects.
Oh, the hoodie.
Ooh, that's even worse.
I know.
That's pretty bad. First off. Oh, that's bad.
Alright, let's go back in. Alright. So, it is Wednesday morning. And you can see the cloud cover is pretty bad, but we're only getting the bands like this in rain here in the Longwood and Altamont area of Seminole County. But I'm on my way to my office now to finish up a project so I can get some money, because we haven't been able to work in like a damn week. Everybody has been preparing for this slow-ass turtle storm. But the cloud cover is everywhere, pretty much everywhere. I mean, it wouldn't be a good day to ride a bike. So, here we are, doing our thing. But, the final part of the episode, the next part, we're gonna head out to Mims, Florida. We have some property out there, right on the Indian River. So that was right there in the path of the storm where the hurricane force winds were coming through. So we're gonna head out there either today or tomorrow and see what that all fared out with out there. Mostly woods with a few campsites there. So we're gonna go and check it out and see how it went. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. If you're new to the channel, please click subscribe and click that little notification bell so you can get actual news when it's coming through of things going on. And we'll see you then. Thanks so much. I'm here at my office, just finishing up one project and starting up another. But what I'm doing is I'm taking these doors that are plastic. You can see, just plastic doors. Vinyl, whatever you want to call it, and I'm making them look like this. Pretty cool, huh? Now these doors are prepped. See how that works? Do all the prep work, then come back in and start making it all look like wood. Some of these are going to be white, some of these are going to be dark like this. But that's what I do. I make it go from that to that. Pretty cool, huh? Like those stone countertop people. I make plastic look like wood. So there you go, in case you're ever wondering what I was doing. I do that and install doors and windows. So if anybody needs anything in the Central Florida area, hit me up in the inbox. And I'll guide you in the right direction. Anyway, thanks so much, everybody, for checking it out. The next part will be us out assessing the damage out in Mims by the Indian River, across from Cape Canaveral, where the rockets go off. So we'll see you on the next one. Please click like, subscribe, share this video with everyone you know. Thanks, everyone. Be safe. All right, now that I have the essentials we need, the tea and the ice, we're heading back to the house now. Thanks, Pubics.